Just want to go over the Buckeye Symmetry soap dispenser. The white is called Alpine and the black is called Prestige, but they're all the same. You've got on the top of it, you've got where the key goes, and we'll talk about that, but you push down, it opens up. The key is located on the inside wall, just a little gray key. We'll now put the soap in there, which the sanitizer is offered. It goes in the same way. So we'll just feed the soap in, kind of squeeze the bottom of the bag a little bit to form it to go in. You've got 2 arrows on each side, 1 on each side. That will line up with the line. Push it in, feed it up, it's in. So we'll go back to the key, you'll push that down. The key is located on the inside, it's just a plastic key. In order to use this, there's the key lock here, and there's a clip on there. You just remove the key lock clip. Now you have to use the key. So you'll take the key, push it down, it opens up. That's an option to use or not use. We'll put the clip back in. Slide the key back in. We'll do the soap again. Squeeze the bottom of the bag a little bit. Feed it through. Arrows are matching up. Shut the lid.